Hello guys, welcome to Little Lives. So if today is your first time of visiting our channel, kindly subscribe to our channel so that we all enjoy more tricky and examinable solutions together. Thank you for doing that. So we're having 10 factorial over 6 factorial is equal to x factorial. Okay, so this, if you punch it straight away, you are going to get a huge number of which it is incorrect. Okay, so let's use this way to solve it. This 10 factorial is the same as 10 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6 by 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then 6 factorial, same as 6, multiplied by 5, multiplied by 4, multiplied by 3, 2, and 1 is equal to x factorial. Okay, now looking at this 6 factorial here, this here, consider is the same as this. Okay, so you say that this, all this cancel this one. We're leaving 10 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7. Okay, and it's equal to x factorial. Now, if you multiply this 10 times 9 times 8 times 7, you are going to get another huge number, of which it can be the factorial for x. So let's use this expression, this method here. So this 10, you can say that it's 2 multiplied by 5. Okay, and this 9, you can say that times 3 times 3. Then 8, you can say that 4 times 2 times, then this one 7 times 1. Okay, and it's equal to x factorial. Now we are having 1 here. Okay, so you say that 1 times, then 2, this 2, okay, then times 3 times 4, okay, then times 5, then you are having 2 times 3. So let's cancel so that we all see this that in. So 3 times 2, which is 6, then times our 7, and it's equal to x factorial. Now, looking at this, you can see that this is the same as 7 factorial. 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6 times 7 is 7 factorial, which is equal to x factorial. So we say that our expression, the x, value for x is 7. Okay, so this is how we need to solve this question. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more and exciting questions. Bye bye.